Well, with that, there is some big breaking news which is coming in. There's a huge political firestorm over RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's Ram Mandir message. In fact, the RSS chief has spoken about Bharat's awakening yesterday, and he had said that India had attained political independence in 1947 but was truly established on the day of Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha, which happened last January. And now the leader of opposition and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has weighed in by calling the comment treason and saying that had Bhagwat said that there was any country, he would have been arrested. Watch this.
Mohan Bhagwat has the audacity to inform the nation every 2 or 3 days what he thinks about the independent movement, what he thinks about the constitution. In fact, what he has said yesterday is treason, because it is stating that the constitution is invalid, it is stating that everything, the fight against the British was invalid, and he has the audacity to say this publicly. In any other country, he would be arrested and tried. That is the fact, right? To say that India did not get independence in 1947 is an insult to every single Indian person. And it's about time we stop listening to this nonsense.
So what really has drawn the ire of Rahul Gandhi? Well, remember, not just Rahul Gandhi, even the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge has been stepping up the attack on the RSS chief over his Ram Mandir message. In fact, the Congress chief has said that since RSS and the BJP played no role in India's freedom struggle, they are disrespecting the independence movement. He's also called Mohan Bhagwat's Mandir assertion as shameful. Watch this.
जो लोग आजादी से वास्ता नहीं था या उसके लिए लड़े नहीं थे, ऐसे लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं आपको मालूम है। मोदी जी को आजादी मिली वो 2014 में, वो समझते हैं क्योंकि 2014 में वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने, और आरएसएस के लोग ये समझते हैं कि जब राम मंदिर बना वही आजादी का दिन। ये शर्म की बात है।
Well, in fact, let me go across to Niyamika as well as Mohit Sharma, who are joining us. They are joining us from outside the Congress headquarters, the newly established Congress headquarters. But then in the same old politics, Niyamika, I'm going to come across to you first, if we have Niyamika there. Niyamika, I'm going to come across to you first. It's very interesting. Now, Rahul Gandhi too has waded into this controversy, taking on a man like Mohan Bhagwat, who's been hailed as a true patriot yesterday by the BJP, saying that he spoke about the cultural awakening of India when he made that statement. But today, Rahul Gandhi says it's treason.
Well, indeed, as it is a very scathing attack which is coming in on the part of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as he has condemned the statement which was being given by the RSS chief, Mr. Mohan Bhagwat, recently about the freedom of this country, as the Congress party is continuously attacking Mohan Bhagwat for this statement. But the manner in which today Rahul Gandhi has mentioned it, he has said that it is basically a treason which he had committed by saying that the country hasn't actually got its freedom in 1947, but it had got its freedom when the consecration ceremony of Ram Temple had taken place. And for that reason, we have seen that how various Congress leaders are also reacting over this entire issue. As just now, I would also like to mention that just now the inauguration ceremony of the new Congress headquarters has got over, and all the leaders are also coming out from this new Congress office. And the statement which was being given by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, many of the leaders are also agreeing upon it, stating that it is not right on the part of Mohan Bhagwat to make such kind of comments. We have also been joined by the Congress leader, Mr. Pritam Singh, with us. Sir, the manner in which Rahul Gandhi has mentioned that Mohan Bhagwat has given a statement about the freedom struggle, that is basically a treason. What is your take on it, sir?
नहीं, देखिए, राहुल जी ने जो कहा सही बात है। मोहन भागवत जी ने जिस तरीके का बयान दिया, हम इसकी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं। वो आज़ादी को कहते हैं जब राम मंदिर बना उसके बाद आज़ादी मिली, ये तो बहुत ही घृणित बयान है। देश को आज़ादी मिले हुए जो है इतना समय हो गया है, और मोहन भागवत जी जो संघ के सर्वे सर्वा हैं, और भाजपा जिस रास्ते पर चलती है उनका ये बयान निंदनीय है।
सर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे अटैक करने की बात राहुल गांधी ने कही और ये भी कहा है कि सिर्फ बीजेपी और आरएसएस से ही लड़ाई नहीं है बल्कि इस आइडियोलॉजी से भी कहीं ना कहीं
आइडियोलॉजी से ही लड़ाई है, क्योंकि आरएसएस जिस तरीके के बयान दे रही है और कह रही है कि आजादी हमको नहीं मिली, ये तो सीधे सीधे जो है।
So there you have it. All Congress leaders are actually now coming out and supporting Rahul Gandhi as expected and Mallikarjun Kharge. But let me go across to Vinod Bansal of the VHP who's joining us. Vinod Bansal ji, as you just heard, Rahul Gandhi has come out and said the statement which was made by Mohan Bhagwat, उन्होंने उसको treason ही नहीं said कि उनका तो arrest होना चाहिए अगर वो किसी country में होते.
It showed the real mentality of the Congress and the Congress leaders of the country. The thing is that the way the Congress is working in the country is definitely going to appease the jihadi community. Only thing is that the Congress doesn't understand the true meaning and true sense of the statement made by Pujaniya Saraswat Chalak ji. What he said that the cultural freedom was definitely got the country on the day when the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha was done. You see, it was the Congress who has humiliated and the attacked the Hindu community since decades. The country has seen that what was the condition of the Hindu community. This is the party who named after the Mahatma Gandhi, but never go with the views and visions of the Mahatma Gandhi.
But Mallikarjun Kharge, Vinod Bansal ji, Mallikarjun Kharge has said that RSS was never part of the freedom struggle, which is why they don't value our freedom, which our martyrs had fought for. How would you respond to that?
देखिए, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे या आज की जो कांग्रेस का कोई एक नेता बता दे फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में कोई शामिल हुआ क्या? महात्मा गांधी ने कहा था कि जिस दिन देश आजाद हुआ,
वो बोलते हैं उनके पार्टी के तब लीडर्स शामिल थे उसमें।
नहीं, बेसिकली वो कांग्रेस अलग थी, ये कांग्रेस अलग है। 1947 में जैसे ही कांग्रेस जो है वो नई बनी, उस समय जब महात्मा गांधी ने कहा था कि कांग्रेस का वहां खत्म कर देना चाहिए, ये नई कांग्रेस पॉलिटिकल कांग्रेस है। और ये कांग्रेस अब तो बेसिकली वो कांग्रेस ही नहीं बची, अब तो इटालियन कांग्रेस हो गया ना जी। अब तो इसका वास्तव में इसका नाम इटालियन नेशनल कर्स होना चाहिए, INC का। और दिस इज नॉट रियली द पार्टी ऑफ द कंट्री. This is the party run by the Italian mentality and the foreign mindset.
Okay, these are big words, big attacks which are coming in. Thank you so much for joining us, Vinod Bansal ji.